These are the words which always manage to get my attention. Whoever tells that, I would be like, okay, fine, tell the story. Mr. Contest Chair, fellow Toastmasters and friends, my fascination for the stories, I can't put it in words. Because ever since I was a kid, my grandmother used to tell all those stories which I never heard the ending. And I always used to feel, wow, what a story. And I used to imagine my own endings about those stories. So the fascination was always there. And to be frank, the history of mankind, I think, is better revealed in stories only. Ever since those ages where people didn't know how to convert the trees into papers, I think these stories are the ones which kept the history keep moving forward. How well do you think Adam and Eve, or the children of Adam and Eve, would have written somewhere? They would have only had stories. And these are the stories which keep moving us forward. That is why I was always fascinated with the stories. For instance, in my own life, I start searching for stories. I will find stories in everyone's life. I want stories. I don't want anything. I don't want facts. I don't want information. I want only stories. For instance, my girlfriend used to be nothing interesting. But if I tell a story, on that day, I woke up in Vizag Hotel, went to meet my girlfriend in a park. I went there. She was standing there with her friend. I walked up to her. She slapped me twice, thrice. And then everyone started forming circles and everyone was looking at us. And in that particular point, she insulted me, she humiliated me. And then she told, Rajshekhar, never meet me again. This is a story. Now this is more interesting because there is some suspense. Why is this guy there? Why did she beat him? All the makings of a wonderful story. Now these are the fascinations I had for stories. For instance, I'm a district humorous speech champion. Nothing, boring. But if I say, you know what, last year around the same time at area level contest, there was Telangana Bandh happening. I was not able to go to Bangalore to take part in the area level contest because trains were blocked, buses were blocked. So I called my mentor and they said, probably I may not come to the meeting. So ask someone else to represent at the area level. But at the same time, Ishan Tandon called me. He said, why you are not going? I told him the story. Suddenly he booked a flight ticket and with help of him I went to Bangalore and I took part in the area level contest and eventually I won the contest. I still now did not return the money to him. I don't want to. Now this is a story. Now these are the things I keep looking for in people, in everywhere. That brings me to two questions. Number one, am I so fascinated about the stories that am I actually making up stories or I am finding those stories? Let me tell you the answer also. Lot of times apples have fallen on the ground, but only Newton saw the gravity in them. There were a lot of love stories happening around the world, but only Shakespeare saw Romeo and Juliet. Likewise, a lot of us are leading our lives. I am also leading my life. But only few talented people can watch or see a story in their lives. So it means I am not making up stories, but I am creating, I am inventing those stories in my own life. That brings me to the second question. Why stories? Why I want to tell stories? To entertain. If there are no stories, how else we get entertained? So I want to tell stories because I want to entertain people. So my dear friends, I am telling you all this. It's a new story. But every time I create a new story, I know one thing. You guys are going to get entertained. And this is the one which keeps us all linked with each other. You come and meet me, I become a part of your story. You become a part of my story. Likewise, we all create something called mankind. So, Jai Bolo Story Man. Mr. Conrad.